What's up YouTube? This is gonna be a very short ride related to my E4K camera. Action cam. I'm recording this in 4K. I just wanted to, try out and see which settings will be the best for this, especially at night time. No matter which action cam you're using at night, I just wanted to try out and see. I have played around with the settings a bit. थोड़ा सा मैंने settings के साथ चेंज किया थोड़ा settings so that I can edit the video after recording. थोड़ा सा edit करना ज़रूरी होता है. A bit of color correction and just a little bit of adjusting the exposure, adjusting and playing around with the sharpness and stuffs like that. I will share the settings and the link of the camera as well. So यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा तो नहीं है वैसे, but it's I mean at night action cameras are not known for the best footage. I also wanted to see how the footage comes out in a really dark place, बहुत ज़्यादा जहाँ अंधेरा हो, like not completely dark but still just a bit of light. So let's see how this comes out. I mean this camera, it's quite, I must say, in that price range below 10,000 you don't get a lot of options. There's one SJ6 Legend, but problem with these cameras is that एक ही problem है, external mic. So ये 4K में external mic नहीं लगता है, पहले बता देता हूँ. And I am using audio recorder for this. And talking about the SJ cam, SJ6 Legend, SJ6 Legend has a very horrible external mic. My friend has a SJ6 Legend and he purchased the external mic for that. So उसका mic मतलब बेकार है एकदम. Like there's so much of wind blast coming in. I mean even he's using a good helmet but still it doesn't work nicely. Even people who are using GoPro Hero 8, they have external mic. They have to buy a very good mic. Unless you're not having a very good lapel mic, then you will still be struggling a lot with the audio. रुक जा दे रहे This setup that I'm using right now, I'll be making a video on it soon, and you will know what you guys are missing actually. Doesn't matter which adapter you're using. I mean a GoPro audio adapter costs around 4,000, 4,500. You can add more money, a bit more money, and instead buy an external audio recorder. External audio recorder is like a DSLR for the audio. To be honest, I'm really satisfied with my camera. That's the thing. I don't want to upgrade my camera. I made up my mind. Just wanted to play around with the audio setup, and that's it, nothing else. So the settings are as follows. I'll be putting the settings on the screen पे मैंने वो ये settings शो करता होगा ज़रूर, मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा ये settings so that you can use the setting if you have this camera. And if you have another camera, you have to play around a bit. You have to see what works best for you. आपको थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ चेंज करके आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. So that's it, nothing else. The rest is on the video. Reflection से लगता है कि ये oil है, but it's not. I mean before I used to think that this is oil initially, so I had to be careful. And the thing is, doesn't matter which action camera you have. Even if you have the best camera, if you're not recording at a very good setting, like a very compatible setting, आप सिर्फ हमेशा अगर ऑटो में रख के रिकॉर्ड करोगे तो it's not gonna come out good, honestly. So you have to play around a lot with the settings. So this was the Yi 4K action camera. There's a lot of pros and cons of this camera. Let's talk about the cons. इस कैमरा में कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे पसंद नहीं आई है. जो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज, एज आई टोल्ड यू, they didn't provide a external mic support. Another thing is I don't like about this is मैंने इसका बैटरी दिल्ली से मंगाया था बिकॉज वो कहीं पे अवेलेबल नहीं था. कोलकाता में तो अवेलेबल ही नहीं था. So accessories is a downside for this camera. You should be working on it. I mean, they don't work on after sales. There's no such thing as after sales. So let's talk about the pros. My camera, I have recorded continuously for 1.5 hours, and that's really a lot of time for an action camera. If I compare that to the GoPro, my friend get around 55 minutes maximum recording time. I don't know about the new ones, but I'm talking about the Hero 7, Hero 8 as well. The viewing angle is very nice in this camera. When you shoot at wide angle, it's so nice that, I mean, my tank and if you ride early in the morning, अगर आप सुबह निकलते हो तो horizon बहुत मस्त लगेगा, like view आएगा इसमें. So that viewing angle is really wide, and I really love it. That's why I haven't, I don't want to upgrade this camera. I want to keep it. Even in future, if I buy a GoPro, then I am not gonna sell this camera for sure. So let's talk about another thing, that is the stability. Image stabilization, मैं ज़्यादातर, like even in this video I have kept the stabilization off. अगर मैं ऑन करके चलाता हूँ तो आपको थोड़ा सा क्रॉप लगेगा वीडियो, लाइक इतना. दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. EIS or electronic image stabilization, it works like that. Even if you're shooting at ultra wide, it's still gonna crop a little bit. So EIS only on when you're walking and making a video, or like a walk around or something. The build quality is okay, decent, pretty decent. So that was it, and once we'll head back home and see how the footage comes out. I hope it turns out to be good. I might have to edit a bit, but I'll share with you. I'm not gonna lie that it's a raw footage. I will share मैंने क्या क्या edit किया है, क्या क्या changes किया है, everything. For editing I'm using Filmora. वैसे as I told you, accessories wasn't widely available for this camera, so I did something. You know what I did? मैंने क्या किया कि इसका जो waterproof case है, already I had one waterproof case. The hinge got broken a bit. थोड़ा सा वो लूज़ हो गया था, जिसके लिए मैंने पूरा हिंज को एम सील से कवर अप किया. आफ्टर दैट, after covering it with the M seal, as I saw that it was very strong, sturdy, I took my uncle's help and he made a small little hole near the charging port, so that बाद में in future अगर मुझे कभी जस्ट इन केस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग राइड पे जा रहा हूँ या मुझे ज़्यादा लॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड करना है, ऑब्वियसली नॉट इन 4K 1080p अल्ट्रा, दैट इज़ माई यूजुअल सेटिंग. So I can plug in my cable, hook it up to my power bank, and then I can record it. So I have that alternative as well. I have 2 extra batteries. I have I have cut that hole in near the charging port. So अगर आपको 10,000 के अंदर कोई अच्छा एक एक्शन कैमरा लेना है, my suggestion would be, I'm not gonna say don't buy the SG6 Legend. You can get the SG6 Legend. You have to be careful with the settings. थोड़ा सेटिंग से आपको खेलना पड़ेगा. But I'm warning you. I mean, I'm not warning you. If you're okay, if you're like, if you're someone who don't care about the audio, मतलब उतना ज़्यादा, तो you can do that. You can get the SG6 Legend. This is the reason I didn't buy it, because I felt that this camera has better video quality compared to the SG6 Legend. That's what I think, and that's the reason why I bought this camera. Mind it, that this camera doesn't come with any accessories. The only thing that you get is the camera and the battery, and nothing else. So I had to invest a bit for the waterproof case. I had to buy the additional pair of batteries that came with the charger. I mean, not that didn't came with the charger. I had to buy the charger as well. All this from Delhi. I found a guy in OLX who was selling, and I had this mounts, J mounts, and like a body clip. You can hook it to your bag, and it's gonna record through from that angle. And about the camera angle, one thing I like is that I have inverted my camera. Normal people do. They put it like straight. When you're keeping the camera straight, it will capture this frame, just maybe your odometer and what's happening in front of you. But my angle is a bit different. It's not like others. I like to be different. So what I did with my angle, I inverted the camera. I mean, I haven't got my accessories box with me right now, or else I would have shown it to you. Maybe I'll go home and send, put a picture on this video so you'll understand. So that's it for today's video. And don't forget to subscribe. So don't forget to subscribe and share my content. So see you again in the next video.